Have you ever noticed how some people are constantly busy working longer hours, juggling multiple tasks, always exhausted, yet their financial situation never really changes, while others seem calm, selective, almost slow, and somehow keep getting richer? It almost feels unfair at first. But what if the difference isn't effort, it's focus? What if the reason you're stuck isn't because you're not working hard enough, but because you're working on the wrong things? Because here's the uncomfortable truth most people never hear. Being busy is not the same as being productive, and it's definitely not the same as building wealth. In fact, for many people, being busy is actually a trap. It feels productive. It feels responsible. It even feels necessary. But in reality, it keeps you stuck in a cycle where your time is constantly being traded for small, short-term returns while the real opportunities quietly pass you by. Think about the average day of someone who's always busy. Their schedule is full from morning to night. Emails, meetings, side tasks, errands, obligations. They're constantly reacting, constantly responding, constantly putting out fires. And at the end of the day, they feel exhausted. But when they look back, nothing truly moved forward. No real progress. No meaningful growth. Just motion. Now, compare that to how wealthy individuals tend to operate. They're not trying to do more. They're trying to do less but better. They're not chasing every opportunity. They're filtering aggressively. They understand something most people don't: not all actions are equal. Some actions create massive results while others just keep you occupied. This is where the mindset shift begins. Poor thinking asks, what can I do next? Rich thinking asks, what actually matters? That one question changes everything. Because when you stop trying to do everything, you finally have the clarity to focus on the few things that actually move the needle. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Busyness is often driven by fear. Fear of missing out. Fear of slowing down. Fear of not doing enough. So people fill their time with tasks that feel safe and familiar. Checking emails, attending meetings, doing low-impact work. It gives the illusion of control, but it avoids the real work, the kind that requires thinking, risk, and long-term vision. Wealthy individuals operate differently. They're comfortable with space, with silence, with not always doing, because they understand that the highest value decisions don't come from constant activity, they come from clarity. And clarity requires focus. Let's make this practical. Imagine two people trying to improve their financial situation. One decides to take on extra shifts, pick up random gigs, say yes to everything. They're busy all the time. Their income increases slightly, but so does their stress. And over time, they burn out. The second person takes a different approach. They step back. They analyze where money is actually being made. They identify one high-leverage skill or opportunity, and they go all in on that. They say no to distractions. They protect their time, and slowly, their results compound. Same goal, completely different outcomes, because wealth isn't built through scattered effort. It's built through concentrated focus. It's about doing the right thing consistently for long enough that the results start to multiply. And here's the part most people overlook. Focus requires sacrifice. You can't be focused and distracted at the same time. You can't chase every opportunity and expect meaningful results. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you're saying no to something that could actually change your life. This is why wealthy individuals are extremely selective with their time. They don't just manage their schedule, they protect it. They understand that time is their most valuable asset, and they refuse to spend it on low-impact activities. Now you might be thinking, that sounds good in theory, but I have responsibilities. I have bills. I don't have the luxury to just focus. And that's exactly where most people get stuck, because they believe focus is a luxury when in reality, it's a necessity. The longer you stay in reactive mode, the longer you delay real progress. The shift doesn't happen overnight. It starts with awareness. Start noticing how much of your time is spent on things that don't actually move you forward. Start questioning the tasks that fill your day. Are they building something or just maintaining your current situation? Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. You start to realize that being busy was never the goal. Progress was. And here's where things begin to change. When you start focusing on high-impact actions, your results don't just improve, they accelerate. you begin to see momentum. You start making decisions based on long-term value instead of short-term urgency. And slowly, your entire approach to money, work, and time shifts. You stop asking, how can I do more? And you start asking, what's worth doing at all? That's the difference. And if you take one thing away from this, let it be this: busyness will keep you occupied, but focus will make you wealthy. So here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, pay attention to how you spend your time. Identify one thing, just one, that actually has the potential to move your life forward, and give it your full attention. No distractions, no multitasking, just focus. Because that's where everything begins. And if this video made you see your time differently, if it made you question how you've been operating, then make sure you subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about making money, we break down how to think in a way that actually builds it. And before you go, drop a comment below and tell me what's one thing you're going to stop doing so you can start focusing on what really matters. Because the moment you shift from being busy to being focused is the moment your life starts to change.